This is Hot Air. BSA Guns has teamed up with BASC. BSA will supply Ultra and Meteor air rifles for BASC to use exclusively in all its airgun coaching and young shots events. BASC says this will increase its capacity to introduce many more people to the sport in the coming years. Braces of Bristol is having an airgun open day. Go along to Braces on the 27th of July 2014. Manufacturers including Evernix and Daystate will give you the chance to try before you buy, and Nightsight will be showing off its latest night vision. We've all heard of a shotgun wedding. Here's an airgun wedding. Airgun enthusiast Paul Ayre's wedding to Rachel Hancock's featured their favourite Daystates. One of the speeches pointed out that Paul now has a new air rifle. Staying with Daystates, and there's a big giveaway at the Airgun Centre. To mark 35 years of supplying the UK with our airguns, the Airgun Centre has put together a Daystate Regal package with all the bells and whistles, as Peter Zammit would say. There's a Hawk scope, mount, sling, a case and the usual lifetime guarantee, all for under £1,000. Go to theairguncentre.com to have a butcher's. A teacher who accidentally shot a pupil with an airgun has resigned 3 months after the pupils campaigned to have him reinstated. Richard West, head of physics at St Peter's Collegiate School in Wolverhampton, shot the student during a science experiment in January. After he was sacked, thousands of students backed the campaign and he was given his job back in April. And finally, a baseball fan is suing his team after he got hit in the eye by a high-speed hot dog. The party piece of Slugger, team mascot of the Kansas City Royals, is to fire hot dogs at the audience from a specially designed airgun. Royals fan John Coomer says he suffered a detached retina in 2009 and has been suing ever since. You are now up to date with Hot Air, aiming for accuracy, targeting the truth.